Hi, Shimmy Shaker, and today I am going to teach you how to do jumps with your cane. So the cane is a really popular prop in Saidi dancing especially, and when we say jump, it's a very energetic move and it looks like we're jumping, but actually our feet are always on the floor. This type of move is a great one to get that party going and to dance to upbeat Saidi music. Okay, so first of all, holding onto your cane, as I said in my previous video, if you don't have a cane, you can use a piece of doweling or something nice and light. You want it to be about hip height. We turn to the side, we bend both legs, and we bring the cane over. So if you think about the line of your vision, it is straight across. It's not here or here. It's straight across, and from the side, you can see it's on a nice angle. So I'm coming down. As I change, I switch my feet. So the front one comes to the back, and then again, I land down, switching the side. So from here, still nice angle, still straight ahead, as if my arm is pointing straight ahead. So from here, arm pointing straight ahead, you can see this bottom arm is straight in front of me where I'm looking. So down, then other side, down, down. So if you watch my feet with this one, just forget about the cane for a moment. You're going down, switch, down, switch, down, switch, down, switch. And the accent is always on the down beat. So it's down, 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 down. Very energetic. You don't need to point your toes for this one. The kind of feeling for Saidi is quite energetic, but it's also almost like snobbish, I guess, or not really snobbish, but very, very confident. So it's not like your dainty classical oriental. It's nice and strong, nice and confident. Let's practice again with the cane. We're coming down, change, 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 change. Yes, you'll feel it working really quickly. If you have any questions about this move, please let me know in the comments below. I hope you enjoy this one, and as always, happy dancing.